Mastering Your Mind, the Art of Self-Control.
Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of personal development. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: how to control your mind and unleash your true potential. So, let's dive right in. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your thoughts, emotions, or external distractions? Don't worry, you're not alone. Learning to control your mind is a skill that can transform your life. So, let's discover some effective techniques to help you achieve this. Cultivating self-awareness. Becoming aware of your thoughts is the first crucial step in gaining control over your mind. Take a moment each day to observe your thoughts without judgment. Mindfulness meditation is an excellent practice for enhancing self-awareness. Challenge and reframe negative thoughts. Our minds often generate negative or irrational thoughts that hold us back. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, question those thoughts. Ask yourself if there is any evidence to support them. Then, reframe them with positive or constructive alternatives. Step 3. Practice focus and concentration. Our minds can easily wander, leading to distractions and reduced productivity. Training your mind to stay focused is essential. Start by setting small goals and gradually increase the duration of your focused activities. Regular meditation can also enhance your ability to concentrate. Step 4. Embrace positive affirmations and visualization. Affirmations are powerful statements that can rewire your mind for success. Repeat positive affirmations daily to reinforce positive beliefs and dissolve self-limiting ones. Visualize yourself achieving your goals, imagining every detail vividly. Step 5. Create a supportive environment. Surround yourself with positive influences, like-minded individuals, and inspiring content. Minimize exposure to negativity, whether it's through news, social media, or toxic relationships. Your environment greatly impacts your thoughts and emotions. Step 6. Embrace the power of self-discipline. Self-control requires consistent practice and discipline. Set clear goals and establish daily habits that align with your aspirations. Be patient and persistent. Remember, small steps taken consistently can lead to significant changes. Step 7. Seek growth through learning and personal development. Expand your knowledge, read books, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars. Feed your mind with empowering information and embrace new perspectives. The more you learn, the more control you will have over your thoughts and actions. Remember, mastering your mind is an ongoing journey. It requires patience, dedication, and self-compassion. By implementing these techniques into your daily life, you'll gradually gain control over your thoughts, emotions, and actions, leading to a happier, more fulfilling life. That's it for today's episode. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share your experiences and tips on controlling the mind in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we explore the power of positive thinking. Until then, keep mastering your mind and embracing the limitless possibilities within you.